Hi guys, it's Belle from GlowBay here, and welcome to our brand new mini-series where I'll be educating you all about the three primary acids, those being salicylic acid, lactic acid and glycolic acid. Now I know there's lots to learn about these acids, so I'm really going to break it down to help you understand. So as always, if you want to learn about skincare with me, click on the notification bell so you never miss a video. So today we're talking all things salicylic acid, and I do hope by the end of this video you'll be more confident in knowing about its origins, functions, uses and benefits, and indeed if it is suitable for you, whilst also learning how to pronounce it properly. So let's get started. Salicylic acid is a derivative of aspirin and from the barks of plants such as willow and meadowsweet, and has long been used as a remedy to treat a variety of different skin concerns. In plants, it plays a role in growth and development, stepping in to protect against pathogens from causing harm, allowing plants to flourish to their fullest potential. And it's from the family of compounds called salicylates, which are responsible for providing anti-inflammatory responses within the skin. Salicylic acid is classified as a beta-hydroxy acid, making it oil soluble, meaning not only does it exfoliate away dead skin cells, it also unclogs pores and removes excess sebum in the skin. If you don't know what sebum is, it's the term to describe your skin's natural oils. It penetrates your skin, breaking down the lipids and fats that make dead skin cells stick together, and if these bonds are not broken down, they can block the skin's pores, causing concerns such as acne, inflammation, whilst also promoting breakouts. Salicylic acid is present in many different products, but to differentiate between the functionalities, just remember, in a cleanser form, it will be washed off the skin. In a mask form, it will be absorbed into the skin for around 15 minutes and then washed off. And in a serum or a treatment solution form, it will be left to be absorbed into the skin until the epidermal layer naturally dries. So it tends to go from a cleanser being the mildest way to treat to either a serum or a treatment solution being the most intense way to treat. As well as this, to be effective, home products need to host a minimum of around 0.5 to 2% salicylic acid, and the compound itself needs to be present within a stable formulation. So always make sure you do your research and you ask a skin expert to help you. If you have mild breakout concerns and you have rough, bumpy skin texture, almost similar to the consistency of sand, incorporating a salicylic acid facial cleanser used daily will be beneficial. If you have more inflamed skin that's quite red, bumpy and sore to touch, the use of salicylic acid twice a day in both a treatment cleanser and either a treatment serum or solution or mask will be beneficial. And if you have pustular acne that consists of really heavy redness, very painful and sore to touch, then it's likely that you will need a double daily dose of salicylic acid alongside with a benzoyl peroxide solution too, as skins like this tend to have a buildup of what's called P. acne bacteria, which will need to be combated. And I will touch on benzoyl peroxide in a different video. Now, it's really important for me to say this. This is not me recommending that you go out and start using salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide, because ideally, before you use acids like that, you do really need to undergo a skin consultation and a full suitability assessment to make sure they are approved for your usage. As well as this, when incorporating an acid into a routine, it needs to be supported with hydration, protection and exfoliation. So all of those things need to be taken into consideration as well. Remember, it's an active acid, not a selection from McDonald's. Salicylic acid is mainly used to control oil secretion, exfoliate away dead skin cells, and cut through the lipids and fats in the skin's layers, helping to provide an antibacterial effect on the skin. It is commonly used to treat grades of acne and breakout prone skins, but it can also be used to treat some aging concerns such as dull skin texture and skin laxity. And it's also an effective compound to be used within a professional treatment setting, as it is present in certain chemical peel or resurfacer treatments you can receive from a skin expert, with some professional percentage solutions even being as high as 30%. So if in combination with home care products, it's a great way to see results quicker if you do have a skin type it works well in treating. A few precautions you'll need to know if you're considering starting to use salicylic acid. You should never use it if you're pregnant. You should avoid it if you have allergies to aspirin or salicylates. In most cases, it's not best recommended for sensitive skins, and it can cause skin dryness and irritation if not supported correctly with a formulated skincare routine. And where possible, you should gauge by speaking with a professional skin expert if indeed you need to use it at all, as it isn't for everyone. And if you don't, be mindful in knowing that there are definitely alternative solutions. Keep your eyes peeled for further skincare videos like this, and remember, here at GlowBay, we're all about enhancing your skin's health, helping you make better skincare choices. So if you have any questions, or if you would like to obtain advice about your skin, you can book in for a virtual skin consultation at glowbay.co.uk with one of our skin experts today. Stay tuned for part 2 in this mini-series where I'll be educating you all about glycolic acid. Thanks for watching, and I'll chat to you again soon.